Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. Today, I'll be walking you through how you can redeem your Walmart gift cards online. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to redeem your Walmart gift card, click open a web browser first. Go to walmart.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Sign into your Walmart account. And once you're signed in, from the home screen of Walmart, go and click on the account button at the upper right. From the expanded menu, click on account, and under manage account, click on payment methods. Under the gift cards option, click on add a gift card, and you'll be able to enter your card information. Now, in the first text field, enter your gift card number by typing it in. Once you type in your gift card number, go and type in your PIN number or security code on the next text field. Now, type in your gift card nickname and click on Save. Once a gift card is stored on your account, you don't have to re-enter the PIN when using it at checkout. That is how you can redeem Walmart gift cards online. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.